Bass Kings.
Bass King's here. About to head down to the creek. Got all my fishing stuff laid out. My bag with all my lures and baits in it. My Fluger President, Lightning Berkeley, GSX, pliers, and my fly rod. And old puppy, new big puppy. Alright, I'm down at the creek. The water levels are a lot better than I expected. It's still not good, or what I wanted, but it's a lot clearer and a lot lower in water level than I thought. It's around 80 degrees today, so hopefully them bass after the rain yesterday will be hitting Bass Kings. Whoa! Well, first bass of the day on the Rebel Crab crawdad crankbait. Trying to get him so he doesn't whack me with that hook. This bass is always sitting under this rock right here. There's an overhanging rock. It goes up under. And I always dip my bait in there and wiggle it around. He always comes up and swipes at it, and I never catch him. But Rebel Crab crankbait has a treble hook on there, so I finally got him. It's a nice bass, about 12 inches. I think it's a job for these pliers. Alright. First bass of the day. It's a good one. Alright, let's climb down here. Nice. Right there. I brought it from over there into here, and he came up and nailed it right in front. More Bass Kings coming at you. Woo! Here we go. Little guy. Oh, just got right off. Oh my. What an idiot. Alright, gonna try to catch myself a smallie in this little hole right here. Crankbait. Crawdad. I haven't used this thing in about 2 years. Caught 2 already. Oh yeah, that's a big bass. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Oh man, he's fighting hard. Still a decent bass. Woo! It's golden, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Right there, and the hook comes out. So don't have to do nothing but just calm down and go like this. Yeah! It's not too big. He's just in the rapids, so it felt like a big one. But that is still a nice bass. Biggest one of the day. Third one I've caught. Caught a one a little smaller than this one, but this is a nice bass. Bass Kings. Woo! Oh, buddy. Oh, shiznit, I put my rod right in the water. Oh, that little guy hit hard. Holy crap. Woo! Fourth bass of the day. And I've only been here for about 20 minutes. All on this bad boy right here. Feisty guys today. I've been hooking them right in the corner of the mouth. Got right out. The little guy, Still fun to catch, baby. Woo! Bass King. Alright. Right there. Crawdad. Rebel crab. Not the deep diver. There's one. There's a smaller one. The other one was about 13 inches. Fifth bass of the day. Right in the corner of the mouth. Smaller bass again. Still caught 5 on this crawdad. I don't even know how I missed that last one. Oh, there's one. Here we go. Another, a little bit bigger than the last one. About a 9-incher. Right off. A little bit bigger than the last one. Alright. 6 bass. Doing real good today. Only been here for about an hour. There we go, that's a big one. Woo! Oh yeah! Wading in the creeks, baby! Big Smallie! Woo! Got him right over by this rock. Oh yeah. Egg sucking leech. Egg sucking leech. I swear by it. Big smallmouth with the fly rod. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at the size of this thing. Come here. Oh yeah. Woo! Bass Kings! Woo! Look at the size of this smallmouth. Oh my god. Yes. Another big smallie with the fly rod, egg sucking leech. Wading out in. I knew I was gonna get something. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Fly rod fishing for smallies. Right in the corner of the mouth. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Yeah! Look at that thing. Woo! Now that's a smallmouth right there, baby. That's a smallmouth with the fly rod. Yeah. Let's get the release going here. Put up a good fight. Massive smallmouth. Oh my god. Yes. Look at the size of this thing. Woo! Yeah. This is a massive smallmouth. I can't believe this happened. I got my phone out and let the drag just loose, and he got off right there and just it was in those rocks where the mud is. Couldn't get out, so I ended up dropping my phone just to go jump down the water, and I picked him up real easy. Woo! This is a 19-inch smallmouth at least. I'm going to measure him and weigh him. It's probably about 1.5 pounds, but for this Chartiers Creek, baby, oh my god! Look at the size of this thing. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh my god. Alright. Let's get the measuring tape out real quick. I have to put my phone down. 19 inches. I'm not going to bother weighing him. I can tell he's about 1.5 pounds. But oh my god. Look at that bass. Look at that bass. I'm going to release him here. Almost fell. Ah, yes. Monster smallmouth. Monster smallmouth. Woo! Look at the size of this thing. Can't believe it. Yeah. Oh, buddy. That was a monster smallmouth. He's swimming right there still. Across the flats. Woo! Bass Kings, baby! 7th bass of the day. Oh my god, yes. Monster smallmouth. Woo! First cast. 8th bass of the day. Tiny guy. I want their moms. Kinda sounds weird, but true. Oh yeah, that's a little bit nicer one. Straight off. Hold on, buddy. Quit flipping. Quit flipping. Jeez. Whew. Another bass. Number 8. I'm killing him with this rebel frog. Or rebel crab. Oh, what did I do? Got myself my 9th bass of the day. Try to get her unhooked here. Little tiny dude fishing right in these fast moving water. Right over there, so I caught that monster earlier. Little guy swimming right in real fast moving water. Caught another bass. Number 10. Right over there. Come on. Alright. 11th bass of the day. Little guy again. Another little guy. Number 12. Still with that rebel crab.
Bass Kings.